What's up, guys? It's Rusty DIY. I started a little shed project about a week ago. I wanted to show you all kind of what we got. I started with this corner here. It was the highest grade, so I set my laser on the block after I leveled it. Took my tape measure, put it right next to it, and it measured about 5.5 inches. It's a DeWalt laser. From there, I kind of went over, and at each corner, each concrete block, I stuck my tape measure down. It was kind of, dusk around this time when I did it, so you could see the laser pretty well. And from there, I just measured, how many blocks I needed, went to Lowe's, picked them up, and also picked up a few bags of pea gravel to put down because I honestly saw a video where another guy did it. So I don't really know if it's the correct way to do it, but that's just how I'm doing it. This side, it raised it quite a bit. Now, first time doing it, so it's not quite centered on there, but all of them are level and within 1/8 of an inch. So I can use shims and stuff to level it out even more if I need it leveled out more. Once I got everything level, then I bought some lumber, some 2x6s, and kind of just started with the outside frame. I think these are called rim joists. I did a double rim joist because, I don't know, it just seemed sturdier. So like I said, saw other people do it on YouTube, so I figured that would be the way to go. Yeah, I have a DeWalt nail gun. I'll show you all in another video, but I got 3 nails in on every corner here. And so nails, going all the way down here. Tried to do it about every 16 inches or so. So it's a 16 by 8 shed from the outside, if you pull a tape measure from the outside. And I also put these structural screws. They're right here. I don't know if you can see them. But I staggered those, like I said, because I saw another video. And they say to stagger them when you're building any type of beam, so it was less likely to crack, I think. I don't really know. But I did those all the way around, 16 inches on center. Then it came time to, square this thing up. So I pulled a tape measure from, one corner all the way to the other and did the same thing over here. It was a little out, so we kind of pushed it together and had these little spare 2x4s and just kind of tacked them in, anchored them down. So we have a square building because we got kids running around and stuff, and didn't want it to get knocked over. See, I got a lot of lumber here. These are going to be my joists. I'm going to run those 16 inches on center. Already got my marks, every 16 inches. That's right where the center of the board goes, and they're going to be running this way. And I also got enough for, blocking in between. But that'll be a different video. This is kind of just a video to catch everyone up on what I'm doing. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. It's going to be 8x16 shed, and I'll show y'all some of the drawings I did on some graph paper. It's nothing too crazy, but yeah, so anyway, I'll show you those drawings right now. All right, so this first picture shows the floor joist with the blocking in between. You can see the double rim joist around the perimeter. On the left-hand side, you can see a material list. Kind of gives me a good idea exactly what material I'm going to need. Each square is a 4x4 or 4-inch by 4-inch. Like I said, it's an 8-foot by 16-foot shed. This next picture is a side view, a side profile. If you mirror this, it's the other side profile. It's going to be exactly the same. One window on each side. 24 inches by 24 inches. I found the window at Lowe's. It's around $100, I believe. This is the stud layout. It kind of looks like board and batten, which I might do that. I'm not exactly sure. It's a single pitch roof, 212 pitch. On the left-hand side, from the bottom of the rim joist up to the top plate, that's going to be exactly 8 foot, so I don't have to stack any T111. I think that's the siding I'm going to use on top of each other, so I don't have to have like a drip edge or anything like that. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use for the roof, whether it's going to be shingle or metal. I've heard with a shingle roof, you want a little bit more of a pitch. Where I'm at, we don't have much snow or anything, so let me know what you think about that. Next picture, this is the front profile. On the left-hand side, you're going to have a double door opening. It's a 6 foot wide opening, so I can pull my mower in it without, hitting anything. I have a 52-inch mower, 0 turn. On the right, it's just a regular 3 foot wide door. I'm going to build all 3 of the doors because it's a double door and then a single door. I think I'm just going to use the siding and use some 2x4s on the back side and kind of, build it. The next picture, that's just a picture of the back profile. You can kind of see the slope of the roof. Going to have an overhang on the sides, 8 inches, and a 12-inch overhang on the front and the back. Yeah, so that's it. This is just part 1 of the series. From here on out, I'm going to be filming everything as I'm doing it, so you're going to be able to see me actually build the cabin instead of me doing the videos afterwards. So I've already filmed the part 2 for this video, just got to edit it and get it submitted. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and be ready for part 2.